Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Boston University's Mechanical Engineering Capstone Conference for the class of 2024. And we're here today to participate in the presentations of our Capstone seniors. And first, we'll talk a little bit about what Capstone does. And the question, first of all, what is Capstone? And we also refer to it as senior design. And Capstone, quite literally, was that piece of architecture that finished off something. It could have been a wall or it could have been a building or whatever, but the capstone is literally an object. But we sort of borrow that term to refer to the piece that finishes off the engineering education for a four-year degree in Bachelor of Science in Engineering. So the question is, why do we have Capstone? First of all, it's a graduation requirement, so we have to have Capstone. But we also call Capstone senior design. And briefly about senior design, what does senior design entail? And there are a number of things we use senior design for. One is a project experience where seniors get to use or exercise the engineering science skills they have acquired over the previous 3 years. It's also an opportunity to work as a team. This is a very important team building skills that they're going to use for the rest of their lives and their professional careers. And of course, we said exercising engineering and analytical skills. That's something, once again, that we do now to understand, where we can apply those engineering skills, without being told, we should be able to understand, where we need to apply those skills in a particular project and where they're applicable. Also, part of this is understanding how to learn things that you don't know or haven't seen before, which is the exercise and research skills. After engineering students leave school, engineering sometimes, instead of having a half-life of 4 or 5 or maybe 8 years, engineers need to be able to learn as they go throughout their career. So research skills are extremely important. The other is being able to communicate what they have done, what they have learned. And this is generally done through the course of writing. And so writing skills are also very important. So, and of course, in many respects, the capstone kind of functions like the first job experience many students have. And so things such as the actual job experience itself, or possibly creating a portfolio of their work, are certainly very valuable things to have towards the first jobs. So today we have here roughly divided the particular projects into these 5 categories. And so we've kind of grouped them through our schedule as you see, aerospace, energy, environment, automation, manufacturing, product design, and research are roughly divided. So we can figure out and attend particular, since we're split into 2 different conference rooms today. We've tried to group these so people who are interested in one area or another could have some continuity. So, and also just to give you an idea, the class of 2024 is 133 students. We have 33 projects. We've also borrowed some students from ECE and BME, so it might be a little more than that, but that's the class of 133 students in mechanical engineering. So today, the plan for today, quickly, and this schedule is posted outside in other places, but for those of you who are in live stream land watching this, this introduction now is the first part of Info 210, Photonics 210 and 211. The first sessions will start at 8. There'll be a short break around 9:40, and then we'll have a second session. Lunch will be in another room here. For those of you who are here, you can actually see this. We'll be going over to a different building for lunch. And then we regroup this afternoon for a similar session pattern of, say, 1 to 2, and then short break and a final session after that. There is going to be an awards session this evening for about a half an hour. We'll be providing or making awards in the area of the best projects within the previous 5 categories, as well as an award for the best overall team and the best presentation. So thank you.